Krazy Kimberlin opinions. Today, we are going to be trying Grinder's Death Nectar.
What's up, guys? Oh boy. Today, we're going to be trying Grinder's Death Nectar. As you can see, this stuff looks like it's no joke. And I've done a little bit of research, and it's no joke. Oh boy. So yeah, this isn't an actual hot sauce. This is an extract. For those that don't know, that's when they take the capsaicin from the pepper and leave the rest behind. So this is not something that you would typically just take a full teaspoon and try it. And I don't plan to do that. I do have extra spoons here. That's for ice cream if need be. But first, let's take a look at the bottle here. Now, if that don't look a little bit intimidating, I don't know. That's serious. Right on the front, it says 337,000 Scovilles. This is made by the Grinders company. They actually make several sauces, as you can see in the background. On the side, it says winner of Scoville Awards. Excuse me. Hopefully this does not backfire. I have a super full stomach because I ate a super big fat burrito earlier. So may or may not have drank a few beers too. So I'm sure this is just going to go great. But all right. So on the back it says Grinders, born in the heart of Kansas City, Missouri's Crossroads Art District, serving great food and eclectic beers 7 days a week. Check out our specialty New York-style pizzas, authentic Philly cheesesteaks, and world-famous death wings. I have seen some people on YouTube try these death wings. I've seen one guy just completely owned it, but the majority that I've seen, I've seen one guy one wing and it was game over for him. one, and he was done. And he looked like he was in agony. So this is about to be serious. Experience a taste of Grinders at home with our custom recipe sauce. Enjoy it with chicken wings, barbecue marinades, or dipping sauces. Use the intense flavors and infernal-like heat of Grinders Death Nectar for good and not evil. And then it says www.grinderspizza.com. The ingredients in this, holy crap. All right, so we got some pineapple juice, concentrate, some habanero mash, water. Oh man, there's a ton of stuff in here. Squid ink, garlic. You got some chipotle puree in here, lime juice, garlic powder, ghost chili powder, lemon juice. There's a ton of stuff in here. Oh, and contains shellfish. This is wild. This stuff is really wild. I'd be a liar if I said I wasn't a little intimidated about trying this, but we're gonna try this right now. Without stabbing ourselves. Like I said, I'm not going to be doing no full teaspoon of this stuff. No way. I've seen YouTube videos of people even taking less than a teaspoon, and it's brutal. So that's not going to happen. I don't know how much I'm going to do with this. We're just going to put a little bit on the spoon and take it from there. We're going to see how much comes out. So let's see. I'm very curious to see what this smells like. Oh my God. Oh, what the heck? It's really hard to describe the smell. It don't have a very potent smell. The little bit of smell it does have is... Oh, great. Now my nose is going to catch on fire. I'm not... Let's just get into this. Let's see what happens here. Like I said, I got my ice cream spoon. It smells like death nectar. It's not budging. There's a reason why we got these awesome Nestle Quick spoons. Look at that guy. People think I use them just because they're so cool and fancy. No. Check this out. Oh my gosh. Dude, that stuff is like paste. Dude, that's it. For now, that's all I'm going to try, and I'm sure it's that right there is going to kick my ass. That's going to kick my ass. That is going to be Scott Farkas all over this place. Whew. Look at that. It's like almost like tar. Without further ado, this is Grinder's Death Nectar. Oh! Holy shit. It's like I can't even talk. Instant eyes watering. You guys seen how much that was? Wow. Still going, look. I'm crying. I'm already crying. Holy shit. Forgot a trash can in case I needed to spit. Nose is running. Whew. Brutal. That is brutal. Definitely the hottest stuff I've ever had in my life. For sure. I'm trying to hold back. I have a glass of milk and I have ice cream. But that just looks so good right now. Hang in there, Mr. Kimberlin. God damn, that is so brutal. My throat is on fire. Back of my throat. My throat is in such pain where it's almost hard to talk. On a heat level, and it's still going. It's still going up. I usually do 1 through 5. Well, that's a 5. All right. And I said 5 is almost unbearable. That's 5. Holy shit. Wow. That is brutal. Holy crap. Instantly, like it goes away and boom, right back. Instantly, right back. Like I said, I've seen videos of this. I knew this was going to be brutal. But I've seen people do even way more than that. And I don't know how the fuck they did it. I am on fire. Holy shit, I'm on fire. I'm a motherfucking dragon. Gosh. And I know a lot of people use milk when doing this. It's not necessarily a fixer for anything. It just helps really, really quick, and then the heat comes right back. People who throw up, it's not from like peppers or whatever. It's from like chugging so much fucking milk. For those that's not from around the area, oh god, Toff's Dairy. Toff's is where it's at. Toss is good shit. Love Toss ice cream. Oh yeah, Toss ice cream is the bomb. Dude, that stuff is so brutal. This is like actually making it tolerable, but it's coming right back. Like, and it's like, it's finally dying down, but it's at a point where it's still so hot in my mouth. Anything I've tried so far up to date, the heat level that's in my mouth right now is still beat any of those. It's crazy. But I mean, I guess that's why, you know, it's an extract, not a hot sauce. These people are madmen. Wild people for creating shit like that. I can appreciate it. I like it. You know? What would you use this for? He was like, what the fuck would you use that for? Well, let's say you want some spicy chili. We take a itty bitty drop. Boom, you got spicy chili. That's what they're for. Or anything. Little drop, you're good. Grinder's Death Nectar. Some wild stuff, man. Right now, it's traveling down to my stomach a little bit. I got traveling. I had a Chipotle burrito earlier. Really filled me up. I was like, man, I hope this doesn't backfire. Send that back up. But I think it's good. Like I said, like my mouth is burning. I can start to feel it in my stomach a little bit. I have fun. It's gonna linger for a while. And I don't know, guys. That stuff is definitely crazy. So there you have it, guys. Grinder's Death Nectar. That stuff kicked my ass, dude. If you have any opinions, drop them in the comments below. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up. Appreciate it.